Hello children, this is a special month for all of us, November 2020. Double Dhamaka Festa, Diwali and Children's Day together. Let's celebrate this month with utmost joy and happiness. We are going to give you easy and simple crafts, exciting stories, mind-blowing puzzles and many more. A special video on how to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali is coming up your way. A new set of videos for young kids of the age 2 to 6 is ready and set to go. We promise that you will be enthralled watching our videos. The most exciting part will be the craft competition winners announcement on November 14. Stay surprised for your gift. Stay connected with BANGARU AMMA KIDS channel. Like, share and subscribe. See you!